Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan R-LINE with all the bells and whistles you could ask for. This powerhouse of a vehicle boasts a 2.0 TDI engine with 150 horsepower, automatic transmission, panoramic roof, and stylish black accents, packed with comfort and safety features, including satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and emergency call system. This Tiguan has it all. With a sleek white exterior and luxurious interior trim, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. And don't forget about the full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer service guarantee. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.